Welcome, my friends. I am so excited to share this work from home job lead. But real quickly, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay. I'm always searching the internet, trying to find the best work from home jobs available. And I do daily videos bringing those job leads to you. So make sure you have those notifications turned on so you never miss an important upload from me. But with that being said, let's just dive on in because this one is really exciting. The company Ellevest, it's an investing platform built by women for women. They are hiring a part-time client experience associate. This is remote work from home anywhere in the United States. Now, the top just goes into a little bit about who the company is, but as a client experience associate, you'll provide first touch response to prospects and members across multiple channels, including email, phone, chat, and text. You'll support the client experience team and provide exceptional service to their members. Day to day, you will act as frontline and voice of Ellevest, assisting members with onboarding or offboarding, transitioning to different membership plans, assisting them with resetting their account passwords or other tech issues, and you'll also be tasked with explaining how Ellevest works and how to get started. Now, it does say this is part-time, it's fully remote. They provide the equipment and training you need to be successful. So all you need is home internet or Wi-Fi and an optimistic attitude, they said. And it says you'll have a flexible schedule based on your availability and the needs of the team, but may have the opportunity to work up to 20 hours a week as your availability allows and the company needs require. And then down under the benefits, it also says flexible work schedule with the opportunity to change as needed. Will work with you to determine a schedule that works for you. So they have very flexible, basically tell them when you can work, set your own hours type of schedule. So what type of person are they looking for? They're looking for someone who has exceptional communication skills, someone who's detail-oriented and organized, someone who is a team player, and someone who has a passion for women-oriented missions. Unfortunately, the salary for this position was not listed, but I did a little bit of research on GlassDoor, and it looks like between 4 different people who said they had the job title of Client Experience Associate, the average base pay from Ellevest looks to be about $55,000 a year, so not a bad salary at all. And as far as a company, Ellevest actually has great reviews. They have a 4.2 out of 5 stars on GlassDoor. So I will leave all this salary information and review information linked down below with the job posting if you want to go into more detail and read all about it. Comments are always welcome down below. Let me know if you have any suggestions of more research or what you want to see, what you would like to see from me, any specific jobs you're looking for, non-phone data entry, any education or experience that you have. I always read the comments and keep that in mind when I'm searching for job leads to share. But if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.